Welcome to a deep dive into mastering AI communication. In today's rapidly evolving AI landscape, the quality of your output hinges almost entirely on the quality of your input, specifically, the context you provide. We're going beyond simple prompts to explore advanced strategies for structuring and organizing contextual information, ensuring your AI models deliver clarity, consistency, and truly predictable outputs. Think of context as the foundational blueprint for your AI's understanding. Without a well-defined structure, even the most sophisticated models can wander, producing generic or irrelevant responses. Our goal today is to equip you with practical methods to eliminate that ambiguity, transforming your interactions from guesswork into precise, targeted engagements. One of the most powerful tools in your arsenal is the system instruction. This isn't just a preamble. It's the core directive that defines the AI's persona, its limitations, its goals, and the overarching framework for its responses. Crafting effective system instructions means setting clear boundaries and expectations before any user input is processed. To maximize their impact, system instructions should be concise, explicit, and comprehensive. Define the AI's role, such as you are a helpful assistant for legal drafting. Specify constraints like do not provide medical advice. Outline desired tone, maintain a formal and objective tone. And clearly state output requirements. Always provide sources in APA format. This upfront clarity significantly guides the model's behavior. Next, we introduce few-shot examples. These are invaluable demonstrations that illustrate the desired input-output pattern. Instead of merely telling the AI what to do, you show it. Providing one or several examples directly within your prompt or context window allows the AI to infer the underlying pattern and apply it to new, similar queries. The effectiveness of few-shot examples lies in their relevance and quality. Choose examples that are representative of the task and cover potential variations or edge cases. A well-selected example can teach the AI subtle nuances that are difficult to articulate in direct instructions, leading to more accurate and contextually appropriate responses. Dynamic interleaving takes contextual input a step further by allowing you to inject relevant information at various points during a conversation or task. This adaptive approach means you're not just providing a static block of context up front. Instead, you're weaving in specific details or updates as they become pertinent, keeping the AI's understanding fresh and focused. Imagine an AI assisting with a complex project. Dynamic interleaving allows you to update project parameters, introduce new stakeholders, or clarify previous instructions mid-interaction without restarting the entire context. This fluidity is crucial for tasks requiring evolving information or multi-turn dialogues where new data emerges over time. Beyond instructional methods, the format of your contextual information plays a critical role. Utilizing structured formats like JSON, XML, or Markdown ensures that the AI parses your input consistently and unambiguously. These formats provide a clear hierarchy and defined fields, reducing the model's need to guess at data relationships. JSON, with its key-value pairs, and XML, with its hierarchical tag structure, are particularly effective for complex data sets or configuration details. When an AI receives context structured in these formats, it can more reliably extract specific pieces of information, adhere to schema, and generate outputs that align with the predefined structure. Markdown, while less strict than JSON or XML, offers excellent readability and allows for clear semantic distinctions through headings, lists, and code blocks. It's ideal for documentation, structured notes, or scenarios where human readability is as important as machine parsability, ensuring both clarity for you and consistent processing by the AI. By strategically combining system instructions, few-shot examples, dynamic interleaving, and structured formats, you move beyond basic prompting into a sophisticated realm of AI interaction. These techniques are not mutually exclusive. Rather, they are synergistic tools that, when employed together, create an optimal environment for your AI to understand, process, and generate precisely the outputs you need, every time.